Hello. In this video today, I am going to teach you how to make a room spray, specifically a Christmas room spray. I love using my essential oils to make room sprays. And the recipe is super simple for whichever one you choose. You just take a 4-ounce bottle. Here's one I probably bought from Bulk Apothecary. I selected green because I'm doing one for the holidays. And here's another one that I got from Amazon. It's a little metal one. You can buy them all over the place, these little 4-ounce bottles, but that's the key. You want one that's 4 ounces for this recipe. And it's so easy, you guys. I'll show you what to do in a second, but you're gonna use a drop of a dish soap, some water, and some essential oils. That's it. Super simple. So let's see how this is done, okay? I'm gonna do it in, I'm gonna do a little green one because it's kind of festive. This is one that I did earlier and that I like to keep around the house to make a nice little festive room scenting spray. You can use this spray to scent items or to maybe even, scent your tree or something like that. It's just a fun way to do it. When you're making a room spray, as I said, you're gonna use just the soap, the water, and 15 drops of Young Living essential oils. If you're using a cheaper brand, you're gonna need 30 to 40 drops because they're just not as potent. But when you're using the Young Living ones, 30 drops is probably all you need. You can up or down it based on what you like. But I like to use what I call my Christmas blend. And if you didn't watch my other video, you can find the recipe for the blend in the DIY ebook that my team and I put together. And I will put a link to that below this video, or if you're watching on a class, I'll put it at the end of the class. So what I do is I will put 15 drops in of my oil blend. So we're gonna just count. Counting with me, 10. All right, so we got 15 drops in there. Water and essential oils don't mix. An essential oil, a good one, is very volatile, which means that it will evaporate very quickly. So it is not oily per trade, but it's scientifically classified as an oil because it doesn't mix with water. And that's true of essential oil. So if you buy an essential oil, by the way, that mixes real well with the water, that's another sign that that's not 100% pure. In order to get them to emulsify a little better, there's a few things you can do. You can put some Epsom or sea salts in there. You can put a little vodka in there, and this is when you're making a spray. But I have found the cheapest and easiest thing, well, I should say easiest thing to do is just to use 1 drop of any dish soap. I like to use the one from Young Living, the Thieves dish soap. So I will add, especially this one because it's got thieves in it already, right? And Thieves smells a little festive. But I use 1 drop of Thieves dish soap. If you don't have it, use a drop of your Dr. Bronner's because this is very pure and has no scent. So that's in there, the oils are in here. And you can use a distilled or purified water, or you can use tap. But just know, I've done this in different climates such as Florida, and I've used tap water. The tap water there has a ton of bleach in it, and it will alter the smell after a while. I live in the Midwest. Our water doesn't have as much of that, so when I use tap water in my sprays here, it's fine. But wherever you live, if your water is kind of icky or you can smell your water, then you're gonna wanna use a bottled water. Any kind of bottled water will do, except the ones that are labeled drinking water, because those are probably just the same as your city's water. This one here is just some purified water. And anyway, you just add your water. It's got the soap, like I said, and it's got the oils in it. And you add it almost to the top. You always want to leave just a little room for whatever your closure is. When you buy these from Bulk Apothecary, by the way, you buy the bottle and the closure separately. Just a little hint there. Don't learn the hard way like I did. Okay, then you're gonna put a cute little label on it. We'll give you a link to this label. It's the Avery label 22807. And Avery has some cute fonts if you ever want to do your own, but we'll give you a link to the free printable for this. It says Christmas Room Spray. I love how this looks, either on the metal bottle or on this green bottle. Isn't that cute? I love it. So this is how you make a Christmas room spray. Enjoy, have fun, make stuff.